In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search every tab in your spreadsheet within seconds here in Google Sheets. So when you're trying to look for something specific within your spreadsheet and you do have a lot of tabs with that one spreadsheet, this is how you can search for it in every tab in just a few seconds. So I do have this example data right here. I have 3 tabs in this one file, and I have a couple of things that I want to search for. One of them would be an order ID, another one would be a customer's name, and the third one would be a specific date. So let's get started. Let's start with the order ID. I do have the order IDs on the left side. That's my first column for each of these tabs right here. So basically these are sales. We have the order ID, customer, product, brand, category, quantity, unit price, and order date. So again, I'm going to start with a specific order ID. And to quickly search that in every tab, what I'm going to do is to open my search bar with a quick keyboard shortcut of Control or Command F. There you have it. Once you've pressed those keys, this search tab will come down and you can just put in the keyword or the keywords that you're looking for. So I'm just going to paste mine. There you go. So the order number is 29375. In this tab, I have 0 results. So you'll know that you don't have anything in this tab because it will tell you a result of 0 on the right side. So if we want to search the same thing on the second tab, all we have to do now is to just click that second tab at the bottom, and here we have it. So I do have a result, a 1 of 1 result right here. For me to see it, I can just click on the arrow down on the right side again, click on that, and it will show you where that is. And here we have it. It's on our 50th row, and that is the same order number, and here we have it. If we want to know if we do have other results in other tabs, I can again just quickly click on my third tab right here, and it will just show me that I do not have any matches on this tab. So basically, I only have 1 result, and that's going to be on my second tab right here. And there you have it. So that's how you can quickly do it. Let's try that again, this time with a customer's name. So what I'm going to do is to delete that, then enter again the keywords or the name that I'm looking for. So I'm going to paste that name right here. And since I am in my second tab, I'm going to move on first to my first tab right here. Here we have it. We don't have any results as well. So no results for tab 1. Tab 2, what about tab 3? And here we have it. So we do have 1 result in our third tab, which is our sales number 3. And here we have it. Aaron Coleman is on row number 11, which is again under the customer column. And finally, if I were to be looking for a specific date, I can just put that in right here. So this time I'm just going to type it. So right now I have the year, which matches, I think, all of the dates on the last column right there. So I'm going to continue filling it up. There we go. No matches for this one. And there you have it. So I have the date of January 23rd of 2026. So if I go to sales number 2 right here, I do not have any results. If I go back to sales number 1, we do have 1 result. And again, to see that, I'm just going to click on the arrow down, and here we have it. So that's on our 32nd row of our first tab right here. We have the same date, so we have this 1 match for that keyword in our search bar. And there you have it. That's the quickest way you can try and search for something specific within your spreadsheet in any of those tabs right here in Google Sheets. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.